in the greenhouse with the white sapote trees. And yes, there is leaf damage, but I'm not upset by it. This is caused by what we call the bird poop caterpillar, or the larvae of the giant swallowtail, the big black and yellow butterflies. And they love this thing. And where is it at? I'll show you. There it is. Here is one of the caterpillars. Is that a piece of bird poop? It's even shiny, so it looks like it's wet. Fresh. So, anyways, the wind's blowing. It's hard for the camera to focus on it. But if you aggravate him, let's see if he'll do it. You gonna do it? There you go. See them things pop out of his head? And they'll spray a stinky smell, a musk. That's one of the, between their looks and the musk glands there, that is their defense. Also have kind of a snake-heady look to them. So the birds and stuff pretty much leave them alone. And they trim my white sapote trees for me.